Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to take a look at the Wenger 85mm Motorist. And this is a discontinued Swiss Army knife. And it's a pretty good size one. It's got a bunch of different tools on it. Anyway, let's take a look at it. So, first of all, you get the traditional Wenger awl. And actually, let me grab my knife and we'll do some comparisons while we're at it. So this is the Wenger awl, and this is the traditional Victorinox awl. So as you can see, it's a little bit shorter. The Victorinox awl has the hole and the blade, and this one is just a straight point. And also the Victorinox one is sharp on the edge. Now, the corkscrew, not really much to say about the corkscrew. Both of them have corkscrews. The Victorinox, you have a, well actually this should fit, I think. Maybe it'll fit. I think I've tried this before. No, it doesn't fit. Anyway, the Victorinox also has a lot of them have a straight pin right here under the scale, or in the scale, under the corkscrew, and this one does not have one of those. Alright, so on the flip side, we've got a Swiss Army knife that I need to clean some and oil. Alright, so this is the can opener for the Wenger, and our can opener for the Victorinox. Actually, I bet that's kind of funny. The can opener, you can tell right here, I bent the metal here, and I bent it back. I bent it back, and so this doesn't open so amazingly well anymore. Anyway, so you can see the difference between the can openers. One looks super aggressive, a little bit angry. One less aggressive, less angry. I feel like this one is kind of scarier. Anyway. And now you have the bottle opener. I do need to oil this knife. And the bottle opener for the Victorinox. You can see there's a little bit different shape, but they are both kind of generally set up the same for this one. You have a magnifying glass. And I gotta say, I think the Wenger magnifying glass wins. Magnifying glass from the Victorinox, magnifying glass from the Wenger. I like this a lot better. I like the longer arm here, and having the extra little screwdriver never hurts either. I kind of wonder if you torque it real good, you might pop that out somehow. Anyway, so magnifying glass. Now, you've got a file, got a metal file, which is a pretty serious tool. This is very similar to the ones on the Victorinox knives. My Cyber tool lacks one of those. So, got a pair of scissors. Yeah, this one's a bit stiff. It just needs to be cleaned up, I think. Alright, so with the Wenger, the scissors have a small arm here, right here, that causes them to spring back. In this case, it springs back super slowly. Most of the other ones work much better than that. And on the Victorinoxes, you have a little spring right here. And there's also a little bit different shape to the scissors. Oops. Now, got the scissors. Phillips head screwdriver. And get it out. There you go. You have a Phillips head screwdriver. There's not... Wow. Somebody torqued this one pretty good. So, there's a Phillips head screwdriver. Although most of them are going to look better than that one. And, well, I don't have a specific comparison on my Cyber Tool, because the Cyber Tool's deal is the bits for the screwdrivers. The thing that's kind of exciting about this one is this one also has a little... has a... they call it a universal wrench. And it's just a little wrench that will allow you to unscrew bolts, which is kind of cool. I wouldn't mind one of these on the Cyber Tool. They would indeed sell me one. And we looked at the blade already, I think. I think we looked at the blade, and I think we looked at the nail file, or did we? Well, anyway, blade and a nail file. So, it's a pretty action-packed little knife. I mean, it's not as thick as the Cyber Tool, but you still get a bunch of tools. It's a little bit shorter. Anyway, what do you think? Would you be in the market for a Motorist if they were still around? I want the universal wrench, that's for sure. I want the universal wrench, and I want the magnifying glass. I don't think I want the can opener. I feel it's too angry. Anyway, let me know what you think. I'll include links in the description for the Swiss Army Knife Wiki on this. I'll also include a link for the Victorinox Evolution series of knives, if you want to check them out. What it is they're just... when Victorinox absorbed Wenger, they carried over some of the knives. So you can still find versions of these 85mm knives. Not all of them, like not the specific odd mix of tools, but you can get a good assortment. So anyway, if you do like the 85 versus the 91, there are still some options out there. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.